Introducing NCD's line of long-range wireless sensors. Designed for industrial and commercial use, they transmit high-accuracy data at user-defined intervals and using a wireless mesh networking architecture, boast up to an astounding 28-mile range. So if you have a space where you need to monitor, say, temperature and humidity, the sensor gathers the data and transmits it to the modem linked to your gateway or edge computer miles away. If you're needing to cover a large space, you can add multiple sensors. Each device broadcasts as a unique node within the network, so you receive data from each individual sensor. You can also add different types of sensors to monitor other conditions such as light or barometric pressure. Each sensor you add broadcasts its individual data back within the network in an easy-to-use packet API. If you should have trouble receiving a transmission because of distance or perhaps interference caused by a thick wall between the 2 points, the mesh network makes it possible to communicate by adding another wireless mesh router and bridging the gap in the network. The sender will automatically find the new addition in the network and broadcast to that point, then onto your modem. Our sensors can be integrated with just about any system you want. Send data to a PC or edge computing device, or add a long-range wireless gateway and send the sensor readings to a cloud service such as Microsoft Azure, Particle, Amazon, Losat, or Google, so you can collect your data from anywhere in the world. Node-RED is a browser-based programming tool which makes it easy to wire together hardware devices, cloud-based systems, and APIs, and more, and can be for automation and control with no programming. The user-friendly drag-and-drop interface allows you to pipe your sensory data directly where you want, whether to the Azure IoT Hub for storage, analysis, or AI cognitive processing, or for relay control, triggering alarms, sending alerts and notifications, and factory floor automation, or into a dashboard for real-time visualization. NCD has developed an extensive Node-RED toolset to send your data where you need it most. These sensors can either be powered by 2 AA batteries with an operational lifetime of up to 10 years, depending on environmental conditions and the transmission interval you choose, or they can also be externally powered. Built for reliability and long life, the price, accuracy, range, battery life, and security features of our wireless sensors make them an affordable choice which exceed the requirements for most industrial as well as consumer market applications. Learn more about them on our website under Enterprise Solutions at NCD.